this morning when the woman opened the door and I threw the dirt on the floor, just like I did now. And then I handed her a $10 bill, just like this, you see. And then I said to her, I said, Madam, that $10 bill, that sawbuck, that 1/10 of a C note is all yours if this handy-dandy vacuum cleaner fails to clean up all this dirt in less than 2 minutes flat. I said that to her, see? And then I took my handy-dandy vacuum cleaner and I plugged it in like this. And then I went right to work. That's funny.
Oh, this plug is controlled by this switch. So's that light, see?
Oh, I see. Go. Huh? 45 seconds.
My. That was fast.
Yes, it was, wasn't it? But do you know that woman was angry with me?
About what?
Because I threw dirt on the floor.
But you cleaned it right up with your wonderful handy-dandy vacuum cleaner.
Yes, of course I did, but she was still angry. And do you know what she did next?
What?
Why, when I told her that this handy-dandy vacuum cleaner and the attachments, that it sold for $8.95 for the works, why, that short-sighted, narrow-visioned female did not even have the intelligence to buy one.
What a dope!
Well, shows you what you've got to put up with. I'm glad you let me get that off my chest.
Mr. Martin, did you say $8.95?
That's right. And now I think I'll have to go.
But, Mr. Martin, aren't you going to give me a chance to buy one of those?
Oh, Mrs. Ricardo. When I told you about this other woman, I didn't mean to get you to buy...
Oh, but Mr. Martin, our sweeper's so outdated, it's old, it doesn't work right or anything, and we really do need one of those.
Well, as a matter of fact, I was bringing this little gem home as a present for my wife, but... Well, I don't know. I suppose if you really need one...
Oh, we do.
You talked me into it.
Oh, thank you, Mr. Martin. Thank you. 5, 6, 7, 8, 50, 95. Is that right?
That's the price.